Udah.
Okay. Good morning everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, how are you today? I'm good. Okay, for today, is there any student who is absent? Okay, so all out here in this class. Okay, we'll continue to the next discussion. Okay, so for today we're going to discuss the topic of finding topics, main ideas, and also the supporting details in passages or in paragraph. Okay, and then this is the course objectives. So hopefully at the end of the course you are able to describe what is the topic, what is the main ideas, and also the supporting details in the paragraph. And then the second is you can identify, you can analyze which one is the topic, which one is the main idea, and which are the supporting details in that paragraph or in that text or passages. Okay. Okay, but before we go to the materials or in the discussions, I want you to look at this picture. Okay, what is it? House. Okay, is it beautiful? Yeah. Is it your house? No. Is it more beautiful than yours? Yeah. Yeah, probably yes. Okay. So, what do you think? Can you mention what type of the structure of the house? What parts are there in the house? Okay, there are rooms. And then what are they? What else? The roof. Okay, and then? Foundation. Okay, good foundations. Is there anything else? Pillars. Okay, the pillars, the structures of the house. identify main ideas, supporting details, and also the topic of a paragraph.
If you can locate the pictures in the message you will like, likely have trouble comprehending and remembering the message.
Okay, so it's still about the comprehensions. If you cannot locate or cannot identify the main ideas, the supporting details, and also the topic of the passage, so that you cannot or you will get trouble in comprehending the passage. Okay, and then the last piece, money. Okay, yeah. Okay, so if you have or if you cannot identify or locate the topic, the supporting details, and also the main ideas, it means that you will get trouble in taking the quiz or maybe the discussions or writing the arguments or the essays about the paragraph. Okay, is it clear? So it is very important to know or to identify the topic and ideas and supporting details. Okay. Okay. This is the short definitions of topic, main ideas, and supporting details. Okay. The topic is, what is it? Okay, so the topic is the subject. Okay, so in a simple way, we can say that the topic is the subject. It talks about the general matter of the passage or the paragraph. So, jadi Anda nanti bisa tahu what is the paragraph about. Okay, what is the paragraph about? That will answer the topic of the paragraph. Jadi nanti Anda bisa tahu dari mana who or what, gitu ya, siapa atau apa, gitu ya, atau tentang apa paragraph tersebut. Gitu. Okay, so it is the subject or the general matter of the paragraph or the passage. Okay, and then what about the main idea? Something please read.
An idea of passage is what the author wants you know about the topic. It is the broadest, most important idea that the writer develops throughout the passage. It is the author's controlling point about the topic. It controls related sentences that work together to make a single point.
Okay, so this is the controlling point. So after you have identified or have already known about the topic, and then the main idea will describe broader about the topic in a form of sentence, in a form of complete sentence. Okay, so hopefully with this sentence, it will control the writer's point or the topic. Jadi dari nanti dari main idea ini kan karena bentuknya dalam bentuk kalimat ya, atau Anda bisa temukannya di misalnya topic sentence ya, as a topic sentence. Nanti Anda bisa mengetahui apa penjelasan secara umum atau deskripsi secara umum dari topik yang akan dibahas atau akan dibicarakan. Okay, so it is broader than the topic. It describes Yeah, okay, but I have already shared the file.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Supporting details explain, develop, and illustrate the main idea. They hold up a main idea by giving reasons, examples, steps, evidence, or any other needed information.
Okay, so supporting details explain, develop, and illustrate the main idea. Okay, explain, develop, and illustrate the main ideas. Okay, after the main ideas are stated, then you need to explain more. Okay, the details of the topic or the main ideas. Okay, it could be in a form of explanation, or maybe examples, or maybe illustrations, or maybe in a form of pictures, or charts, or diagram. So it could be as the supporting details. Jadi nanti supporting details itu menjelaskan ya secara lebih rinci, bentuknya itu bisa contoh, bisa penjelasan, bisa ilustrasi, bisa gambar, bisa diagram, itu nanti sebagai supporting details. Okay, is it clear enough? Do you have any questions so far? Jelas ya? Oke, kita lanjut. Okay, this is the examples. Okay. Let's try to identify the topic, main idea, and supporting details of the paragraph. Okay. Can you read the paragraph? Okay. I give you time for about 1 minute to read. Silent reading, please. Ya. Kelihatan dari belakang. Oke. Oke, finish. Okay. Sudah? Okay, let's see. Let's try to identify. The first one is the topic. Okay, according to you, what is the topic? Okay, heroes. Yeah, heroes or a hero. Yeah, could be in a form of singular or plural. How do you know that it is a topic? How do you know that this is the topic of this paragraph? Oh, the first paragraph. Okay, the first paragraph. The first paragraph. The first sentence. Okay, the first sentence. Okay. What are heroes? Heroes are everyday people who simply rely on courage and hope. Okay, so this is the, what is it, like the frame, like the structure of the paragraph. So it, what is it, where the topic ya. Jadi apa namanya, membatasi topiknya itu about everyday people heroes. Oke, jadi hanya satu atau beberapa kalimat saja. Bukan beberapa kalimat, maksudnya beberapa frasa atau kata. Jadi tidak ada yang kalimat. Oke, and then the second, what about identifying the main ideas? Identifying the main ideas. Yeah? On the last, identifying the last sentence of the paragraph. First sentence of the last. Okay, what else? Is it possible to use the WH question to know about to know about the main ideas? Okay, if the topic is about who and what, kalau tadi kan topiknya tentang siapa dan apa ya. Nah, kalau di main ideas-nya misalnya dengan pertanyaan yang lebih detail, why, how, what is it about, or when, misalnya if it is a story, why, atau how, if it is, for example, like in a procedure. Okay, so you can use the WH question to help you identify the main ideas. Bisa pakai WH question untuk membantu Anda mengidentifikasi atau mengetahui main ideas. Okay, then the last one. What about the supporting text? How can you identify the supporting text? Let's see. Let's go back to the paragraph. Kita lihat lagi ya paragrafnya ya. Okay, good. The signal words or the transition words. Jadi ada kata apa namanya sambung gitu ya. Apa klausa penyambung antara kalimat satu dengan kalimat yang lainnya. Misalnya di sini kalau contoh itu ada apa di sini? Okay, another. Is there another? Ya, saya ada another, kemudian ada first, second, finally, next, again, for example, okay, good. So yang mana lagi? Nah ini ada, for example, okay, yeah, okay, good. So that is how you can identify the supporting details. So you can use the signal words or the transition words to find out the supporting details. Okay then. Do you have any questions? Ada pertanyaan sih?